cleared for takeoff. Use caution for Seagull.
I got it.
Beam taxiway Foxtrot.
All right, on departure left turn 180, and we'll look out for the birds. 30 left, cleared for takeoff. 1215 golf dash. All right.
Bang.
Southwest 2015. The Cessna's boarding the parallel will turn away. Use caution for birds. Beam taxiway Foxtrot.
Good to go. We did it all.
30 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff 30 right. We've got the Cessna in sight. Southwest 2815.
Yeah, watch out for us, buddy.
Yeah, we'll look out for birds.
Medevac CalStar Med 2, radar contact 12 miles south
We just do a roll.
east of the San Jose Airport.
Medevac CalStar Med 2.
And take it away. And we're off. When you see 500 feet on your screen, good, flaps up. 500 feet,
Yeah.
turn left to 180.
Right now?
Look at that, southwest.
Right now?
No, not yet. Isn't that cool?
That's badass.
Isn't that cool? Look at that. Keep going
500
straight.
feet. Oh, we're at 200.
Medevac CalStar Med 2, use caution landing at Cali Medical Center will be at your own
At
risk.
500
San Jose wind 31014, report landing assured.
I got the radios right now, just fly the
Southwest
airplane.
2015, contact NorCal departure, good day.
Right now, just fly the
Have a good
airplane.
one, Southwest 28.
Good, there we go. Now turn left to 180.
Cessna 15 Golf radar, contact, see altitude.
500 and turning to 180, 15 golf.
Roger.
And no birds for us, 15 golf.
Roger.
Wasn't that cool, the southwest?
Fucking badass.
Absolutely crazy. There we go, turning left. Look at this, look at San Jose. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, nice here, huh?
Absolutely phenomenal. Let's go to 34 gallons an hour on the fuel. Watch 180, don't blow through it. Good. It's about 4, 5, 6 swipes to the left with the fuel, like this.
Okay, I'm sorry.
There we go, and manifold pressure
I
at
need to get up to
39.
DY.
This is good right here, 100 knots is fine.
Huh?
Cessna 15 Golf, contact NorCal departure, good day.
Departure, thanks, 1215 golf. Good. 180, 180. Departure, good evening, stationary 1215 golf, 1,800 climbing 5,500, heading 180.
Station 1215 Golf. NorCal approach, good evening, radar contact, resume navigation Monterey. What altitude would you like to climb to?
ONAV 5,500, 1215 golf.
That's it.
All right, ONAV, direct, enter. Turn left and make sure the needle remains centered. Make sense?
Yep.
Cool. Solid work. We're on our way.
We're on our way. That was a busy son of a bitch. That's
Yeah.
598, contact San Jose Tower 124.0. Good evening.
All right, over to tower. Thank you for your help, sir. Sky 3598.
My pleasure.
We're on our way. Monterey. Let's do this, folks. Folcas. Sin una orquesta español está en me traba. You can go to 30 inches if you want.
hills right there. Look.
Yeah, there's hills. Let's clear them.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
look at that. Let's keep it coming. Let's keep it coming. Once we get the other side of the hill, it should be nice and lower terrain.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Robbie, we're on our way. Huh?
That's good, bud.
Yep.
Oh, shit, I'm at 160 now. I need to be at 180, right?
180. No. ONAV. Direct Monterey. So just keep that set.
Start heading for the next 6 minutes.
Perfect.
Is that one, thank you, sir?
We're climbing pretty good. 1,000
Uh-huh.
feet a minute. Huh?
Uh-huh. It's a turbo. Absolutely solid. Look how nice it is, the terrain. Isn't it amazing?
Beautiful here.
It's unbelievable. Okay, let's get some autopilot so you can look outside. So we want to go ahead and track a course. So nav, there's GPS. We want to climb, and we want to maintain 100 knots. There we go. GPS, flight level change 100. My ceiling's 5.5. I'm happy. I'm hitting autopilot. I'm making sure the plane's doing what I want it to do. And you can take care of the rudder trim, and then we can look outside. Good work. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah, so you got an engine out. What would you do here?
I would turn around to San Jose. It's right behind us.
You think you'd make it?
Oh yeah, we're 4.5. We're 4,000 feet above the airport.
Oh yeah, we'd make it then.
Uh-huh.
1,000 to go.
Especially with the stall kit. Oh yeah.
Shit, we can land on the crossway there.
On Alpha 1. We could land on Alpha 1.
Traffic alert. Oh, what's this?
We could land on Alpha 1. Direct enter. There we go, look at that. Is this true or not true? And why?
No, it's not true.
Why?
It's only calculating that.
Calculating our climb slow ground speed. Make sense?
Yeah.
Once we level out, we'll have a nice tailwind. You see 13 knots on the tail.
500 feet and below.
Yeah, nice
Tailwind. Solid.
Good morning, excellent, thanks. And radio services.
Welcome to the Bay Area, Robbie.
And have a great night.
You have crazy how far you can get in a day in this
Oh,
Memorial
insane.
weekend. Airdrop one.
Thank you, sir. You too. Appreciate it.
Easy. We could easily go to Oregon in one day. Easy.
Oh yeah.
Easy. All right, 5,300. There we are. We could bring it back 30, 23, and 75 degrees rich of peak TIT.
NorCal Southwest 1333, we got a field side if it helps.
There's the ocean.
Oh wow.
Pacific Ocean.
Clear visual approach, runway 30 left.
Clear visual 30 left, swing, Southwest 1333.
You feel crooked?
Yeah, that's noticed it.
23. Solid. Temperatures look good. Let's close the cowl flaps. We'll gain about 5 knots of ground speed. There we go.
Yeah.
All looks good. Look at this number coming down right here. Now it's a short flight, right? So we need to stay on top of things. Let's listen to the ATIS.
At 12, peak gusts 22. Visibility 10. Sky condition scattered 1,600. Temperature 13 Celsius. Dew point 08 Celsius.
And
Altimeter 299. Remarks. Density altitude 100.
Sir?
Beautiful. What runways in use?
Temperature 14, dew point 8, temperature 29er, race a visual, 2 left approaching use, landing and departing. Runways 2 left, 2 right.
28 left, 28 right.
For San Francisco, all jets into Los Angeles International and Las Vegas International. NOTAM, national aircraft, runway is 10 lines separated by 500 feet. Be sure you lined up for the correct runway. Instruction balloon, 1.7 nautical miles north of Monterey Airport.
The ocean.
150 feet, AGL not lighted. Ground affairs are combined at 120.87. Advise initial contact.
What's that information?
Monterey Peninsula Airport. Automated weather observation 0233 Zulu. Wind 270 at 12. Peak gusts 22.
Pretty much
Visibility
straight down the pipe.
10. Sky condition scattered 1,600. Temperature 13 Celsius. Dew point 08 Celsius. Altimeter 299. Remarks. Density altitude 100.
Let's hear if we could hear the information in a moment.
Current waypoint. We got a waypoint in there?
Let's disregard that. Huh. Well, it is what it is. Interesting. Okay, so what runways are in use? 28 left and 28 right, right?
Yeah.
So
November 15 Golf, contact NorCal approach 127.15. Have a great night.
127.15. What was it?
Station at 1215 Golf, approach on 127.15. Good night.
127.15. 1215 Golf.
good.
Right? 12715. Yeah. Approach station error 1215 Golf, level at 5,500.
Number 1215 Golf, NorCal approach. Good evening, Monterey. Lima is transferring this altimeter 2997.
Say 2997, 15 Golf.
2997, 1215 Golf.
Good. So now let's go at procedures.
Information, Lima.
Select approach.
Enter.
28 right. Actually, let's go 28 left.
Yeah, 28 left.
We'll do
Enter.
straight. And then we'll do activate. Scroll all the way to the right. Good. Okay. Good. And then hit flight plan to get rid of that.
Whoa.
Yeah, the plane is moving to the straight. It's fine. Yep. Hit flight plan. Good. And there we go.
Oh, it went
So
to
now
the
we're moving
VNAV?
to that straight waypoint.
Yeah, we need to do the flight level.
So now it wants us there at 1,000 feet. So
lower our floor to 1,000.
lower the floor to 1,000. Good. And then hit VNAV.
VNAV.
No, not nav.
Oh, my
Hit that again. No. Not heading. Nav, GPS, VNAV right here.
Oh.
All good. There we go.
VNAV.
And then, top of descent, 3 minutes, 50 seconds.
Yeah.
Easy?
Yeah.
Solid. Because here's what happened. We
That was
were on
1537,
GPS,
contact
you hit it, it goes to roll mode.
Oh,
Make sense?
yes.
So you want to make sure it's GPS.
On GPS because we're tracking.
Cool. Yep, solid. And then show VSD, and
Nothing.
looks like we may, we'll need to see the mountains there. So let's do this to be safe. Let's do this, check it out. We'll come here, and we'll go here, and we'll go 1,000 feet a minute, just to be safe. Top of descent 5 minutes from now. And then, yeah, that looks a little safer. So let's stick with 1,000 feet a minute for now for this one. And the altitude at Monterey, there's Monterey, the altitude at Monterey is 257 feet. And then here's 28 left, and 28 right is the small one. So 28 left is good. That's the one we're at. Solid. Good stuff.
Gotta nail this fucking landing.
The what?
Gotta nail this landing.
Nail it. Absolutely phenomenal.
Wow.
Isn't it amazing? It's the Pacific Ocean. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful?
Where's that at? Now we're at San Jose or?
This is, yeah, just east of or south of San Jose. Beautiful. Nice sunset. Should be a beautiful sunset as we land. Look at this thing. Holy cow. Absolutely phenomenal.
1914 NorCal approach. Good evening. Thank you for Victor. Salinas altimeter 2997.
Wow. Unbelievable. Robbie, thanks for flying me to all these cool places.
Yeah, thanks.
1384 NorCal approach. Good evening. Victor, current at Oakland. Salinas altimeter 2997.
Actually, we don't need that steep of a descent. Let's go ahead to, let's see.
Vertical track.
Yeah, 600 feet a minute is good. Top of descent is when?
40 seconds.
Cool. Floor is lowered, VPAT is engaged, and we have our feet per minute
It should be your hair like
selected. It should be where?
It's right by the ocean here, isn't it?
It should be somewhere down here, yes. Should be somewhere over here. When stop at descent?
16 seconds.
Cool. Then in a moment, VPAT will switch to green. There it is, it switched to green, nose coming down. Let's reduce our power. Let's go to 20 inches. No, let's shuffle flight. Let's just begin our descent into to Monterey Airport. Should have you on the ground about 12 minutes from now. Navigate just a few minutes after that. Seatbelt signs coming back on for arrival.
Good evening. Oakland is Victor is current. The Salinas altimeter.
Thank you for flying with us this evening. I'm sure I'm seeing on your future flight of ours.
Altitude did you want to climb to?
Monterey, would like to welcome you home for continuing on safe travels to wherever your final destination may be. And at this time, we'd like to go and ask our flight attendants to please prepare
thank you. Stockton altimeter 2986.
Like a pig in shit,
like
Robbie.
A pig in
like
shit.
a pig in shit.
Oh, God, that's funny.
Is this getting easier?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Not much to it. It's just a matter of doing it
this
again.
fucking landing down a little bit better.
1624 North Southwest. Good evening. Thank you for Echo Salinas altimeter 2997.
We didn't turn the lights off, but we'll leave them on, though.
It's all good, yeah. Short flight, you can leave it on. It deters...
1215 Golf, contact the Monterey Tower 118.4. Have a good night.
118.4, 1215 Golf.
Look at the ocean, Robbie.
Oh, fuck.
Isn't that crazy?
That's cool. All right. Where are we at? How far are we out?
Say we're 10 to the north. Inbound full stop.
Monterey Tower, stationary 1215 Golf, 10 to the north, full stop.
Stationary 1215 Golf, Monterey Tower, and a right downwind, runway 28 left.
Right downwind 28 left.
Right downwind 28 left, 1215 Golf.
That's what we did, huh?
That's what we're pretty much doing.
A right downwind?
Actually, we're not doing a right down with a straight in, so let's switch our plan. And for right downwind, let's see, I want to get under these clouds. So here's what we'll do. Right downwind means we want to fly straight to the field and then go this way, and then right base, and then final. Not quite what we're doing here. So here's what we'll do. Sync, heading, flight plan, direct destination, boom. You see that? Straight line of destination. I'll go nav, back to GPS. VPATH goes out the window, which is fine, and I'll just go to vertical speed to 700 feet a minute.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So now we're straight lining it to San Jose, and then we're descending at 700 feet a minute. Now, what I'll do to avoid some clouds here is I'll sync heading, go to heading mode, make sure I'm in heading, and you see this cloud over here,
Right.
and then you see the other clouds,
Right.
so we'll go right between them.
Okay.
So we'll go a little this way, just like that. Does that make sense?
Right.
Cool. And then we'll avoid the clouds.
Power a little bit? Or
Yeah,
no?
let's reduce the power. Easy. What's the TPA here in Monterey?
I'll give it the chart supplement. Oh, phone. Oh, I don't have it loaded. Damn it. Monterey, Fresno.
Actually, let's do this. This will be more of a downwind.
1757?
TPA?
Monterey Regional?
Where's TPA?
Right there. Monterey Regional? Can't be 7.
Monterey, TPA
1557?
What's the TPA? 1750, we'll call it. 1757, we'll call it 1800.
That's high for...
Uh-huh.
Oh.
So here's 1800. See that?
Yeah.
Cool. So we'll just avoid this cloud, and then we'll cut in under it.
Okay.
And then we'll do, look at this, right downwind, right base, and then final. Make sense?
Yeah.
Cool.
Now I'm gonna go.
Now, let's just give him a little heads up. I'll just do this,
Yeah.
and you see, so he knows what we're doing. And tower for 15 Golf, just to avoid some clouds, we're heading south down here along the shore. We'll turn left downwind, or right downwind here in a moment.
5 Golf, roger, thanks.
I'm just filling him in, right? So he doesn't look at me and think I'm crazy. It's
Okay.
always nice, in terms of communication, to fill the other person in as to what you're doing.
Okay.
Whether it's in a marriage, in a relationship, or in an airplane. I learned that the hard way.
So did I.
The hard way.
5 miles.
All right, 500 feet to go.
We're not to,
500 feet to go.
so it's gonna level off at 18, right? Cap flaps are open?
closed. Let's see what the pattern is here. Monterey. Looks like
Pattern out says 1257.
1257. All right, so keep that, lower it to 12. Lower. Good. Solid. Solid work.
Right or left hand?
So he told us right traffic for 28 left.
Okay.
So remember, we do what we're told.
My confirmation, Mike. Now current wind 2409er, gust 15, altimeter 29er, 9er.
Good. 29er. 1,200 feet.
We're hauling ass.
Here's the runway. Let's do this. There we go.
Wow, dude, we're hauling ass.
Slow. Yeah, reduce power. All the way out.
Whoa, dude. We're way high.
All good.
Holy shit.
1,200. Power's all the way out. There's 1,200. See the airport?
Yeah.
There we go. Was power all the way out the whole way?
15 or something.
Your airplane?
My airplane.
Your plane? Good. Let's go prop and mixture full forward. You can disconnect autopilot. See the airport?
Yeah.
Good. So we'll do right traffic for 28 left. Let's do that.
Damn.
Little bumpy.
Wow.
It was that huge tailwind. See that tailwind?
Station 15 Golf, wind 2705, gust 15, running 28 left, go to land.
28 left, clear to land.
28 left, clear to land.
1213.
315 Golf.
Cool. Welcome to Monterey. This is good right here.
Huh?
This is good right here. We'll parallel the runway. Add more power. We want to be 100 knots. And reduce that friction because you want to make sure you have control over the throttle easily. Good. More power. 100 knots.
Being the numbers.
Good. Was it Del Monte Aviation?
No, the other one.
Monterey Jet Center?
Yeah.
Cool. So it'll be a left turn off the
166
runway.
Charlie Sierra, Monterey grounded clearance, cleared to Palo Alto via the Monterey 5 departure. Radar vectors to San Jose, direct Palo Alto. I maintain 7,000.
You can turn right.
Departure frequency 127.15, squawk 4231.
Flaps 20. And show me 80 knots.
So 166 Charlie Sierra, read back correct, thanks.
And he cleared us to land, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Solid. So we're a little
6 Charlie
high,
Sierra, running 28 left,
so we
taxi
can
to
reduce
Echo
power
Alpha.
and lower the nose. Cow flaps open. There we go. Good. Look at that sunset landing. Power all the way out? All the way out. Is it all the way out?
Yeah.
Cool. All the way out. Yeah, it's fine. We're good. We'll roll all the way to the end. Good. There's 28 left on the pavement. And the wind is pretty much straight down the pipe. Good. Come down. Closer. 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 There we go. We're down. Nice.
Did you help me?
There you go.
Did you help me?
Good. Yeah,
Stationary
just a
15
touch.
Golf, continue down the runway. What's your taxi request?
Down the runway in Monterey Jet Center, 1215 Golf.
15 Golf, Roger. You can roll all the way down to the end. Left turn at the end and then taxi to the Jet Center via Alpha Echo this frequency.
All right, all the way to the end and then Alpha Echo to Jet Center this frequency, 1215 Golf. Cool. Welcome to Monterey. Look at that sunset.
That wasn't that bad.
Not bad at all.
It was better than the last one.
Absolutely. So we could keep it roll. I want to show you what stay on this with me.
Okay.
Just because he told us we could roll to the end. I want to show you something. Let's play with the pitch attitude. Let's do a little wheelie.
Okay.
See this?
Yeah.
Here's what you want to look like when you touch down, right here.
Okay.
See this pitch attitude?
Yeah.
This right here. Look outside the window. Don't look at your screen. You see this?
Yeah.
This is what I want you to see when we touch down. You see that?
Okay.
Take a mental picture. You see what that looks like?
Yeah.
Cool. Good.
Alright,
Your plane?
my plane.
Your plane. Let's make a left over here. Right here on Alpha. Man, look at that sun.
Wow.
Beautiful sunset.
Where are we going? Oh, right there, huh?
Alpha. Go down here. Make a left over here.
We gotta hold short after this?
No, we're good. He said taxi he already gave us taxi instructions this frequency, so go here, and then we'll make a right on Echo. You see this?
Okay.
Down to there.
Right.
Monterey Jet Center.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Pretty
What a
good.
day.
Huh?
What a day.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Real world. Look at that sunset. Nice and orange. This is what I call hitting a bunch of airports.
Nice.
A Charlie tour.
Oh, shit. Whoa. Damn. We gotta turn into it, right? Turn into the wind.
To the wind?
Yeah.
If it's coming from ahead of us, yeah.
Huh?
If it's coming from ahead of us.
Yeah.
See that guy?
Yeah.
So he'll show us where to park. So he's telling us to turn around and face him that way. We'll do a 180 to the left. So, keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight.
Yeah.
Keep going straight.
Now turn.
Keep going straight. Now do a 180 turn to the left and face him. I'll just turn our lights off so we don't blind him.
What's he saying?
Here, this right here. There we go.
Does he know we're parking overnight?
Yep, this is where we'll park overnight.
Really?
Uh-huh. And if they need to tow it and move it, add a little power, 1,000 RPM. That's it. Okay, there you go. Solid. Good, your plane?
Yeah.
And let's shut her down. Robbie?
After landing, flaps up.
Solid. Let's turn the AC off.
Yeah, let's do that. It's so cold.
Go ahead, turn it off. I want you to hold it down. There you go, solid.
Okay, parking brake set. Those idle. Electrical 8. All those are off. And the beacon. All those are off. Avionics 1 and 2 is off.